table. Tonight we have some very special Clear Lake basketball alumni in attendance. The year was 1968 when the Clear Lake boys basketball team embarked on a season that would make history. Their goal was to win the North Central Conference and earn a spot in the state tournament. Not only did they achieve both, they also made history by becoming the first Clear Lake boys basketball team to ever reach the state tournament. The team with 12 dedicated players on the roster dominated the conference with an undefeated record of 14-0. Their remarkable season continued as they fought their way through sub-state, defeating Cedar Falls 62-61 in overtime and advancing to the state tournament for the first time in Clear Lake history. Live fans, please welcome back members of the 1968 boys basketball team. In attendance tonight, we have Mr. Pat Dillaboo, who, by the way, I don't know if you see this shirt, he has a grandson on both teams. That's pretty cool. We also have Larry Treelor. Ken Babinski. Wolfgang Meyer. Dave Pike. Brad Heitland. And Patty Babinski Charleston in honor of the late Steve Babinski.
Yeah.
Tonight, we are also celebrating the 30th anniversary of Ken Babinski's induction into the Iowa Basketball Hall of Fame back in 1994. Ken led the conference during his high school career, averaging 27 points and 19 rebounds a game. He was the first line to score 1,250 points in a season. That was a two-time All-State selection. Additionally, he earned a spot on the 1968 All-Tournament team. He was also a high school All-American. And Ken's 900 career rebounds still rank him 5th all-time in Class 3A history. After graduating from Clear Lake, Ken continued his basketball journey at the University of Iowa, where he was part of the only Iowa team to record an undefeated Big Ten season. Go Hawks.
Go Hawks.
Ken also served as the team captain during the 1971-72 season and was honored as a Big Ten Honorable Mention Academic All-American. Live fans, how about